Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Alabama Virtual Library to find reliable sources and cite them correctly in MLA format. First, go to the Alabama Virtual Library website. From the home page, click on Middle School to see recommended databases. Let's click on Gale in Context Middle School. This database has articles, images, and reference materials written for students your age. In the search bar, type your research topic. For example, I'll be searching for renewable energy. A list of articles and resources will appear, including images and videos. Click on an article that you want to use. In the right-hand toolbar, look for the Cite button. When you click it, Gale will generate citations in several formats. Choose MLA 9th edition. Copy the citation and paste it into your Works Cited page. Remember, you should double-check the formatting. Citation generators are helpful, but they're not always perfect. And you should also do this with images and videos. And that is it. Using AVL makes it easy to find trustworthy sources and cite them correctly. By practicing this skill, you're showing respect for the original creators and avoiding plagiarism.